Hello, hey everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK tutorials. In the previous session, we have discussed about the inner join guys. Let me go to that slide. Yes. So we have discussed about the inner join in our previous session. So what is this inner join? The guys who are just came up with the association, just firstly go and see my inner join video also. So you will get good clarification on this inner join over there. Okay. So then after the inner join, what is this inner join? You can say they are like tightly bound, which is like bound to fetch the data from both the tables. Then we have came up with a new approach, which is known as join on demands. What is this join on demand, guys? Or you can say it as an association. Here, you can see in our inner join concept, we have created one CDS view also, where you can see it has fetched the data from both the tables unknowingly, because with the data which is not needed to us also, it has fetched that data also. But here, in the concept of association, this is not like that. What is that in association? In association, the concept is this one. What is this concept is? In this concept, you can say these are my header details, these are my item details. So in this, they are not tightly bound. What it will do, it will fetch the data only for those details on which user is selected. For example, here you can see this is my header details, these are my item details. So what it will do, whenever user will click on 72, it will fetch the details of 72 sales order number only. It will not fetch the 73, 74, 75. Whenever user will click on 74 sales order number, it will fetch the details from 74 sales order number only. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So this is what the concept of association. So what is this association is, guys? So this is join on demand. I hope this one is clear to everyone. We will discuss more about this. So let's go to the system and create one more CDS view so that it will be clear. Simple, guys. Right click, new. Okay. Go to data definition. Or we can directly create from here. Right click and create. Okay. Next. Okay. Z CDS association JK association in CDS view. Click on next. Okay, sorry, it's already there. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Here you can select define view with association. Click on finish. So it will create a view. Okay, just give the SQL view name here. The SQL association. Here you can see, guys. So what is this? Okay, let me remove all this first for you. Then what I will do is we should have this all from here. Give. Okay. So on for this time we will create the CDS view on. Let me log into the backend first. Okay. Let me go there. Let me go to the SE16N. So this time we will use our new table. For example, SNWD underscore SO underscore invoice underscore item table. Okay. So this is my table for sales order invoice item tables. Okay. And for this, I will put association on this SNWD underscore product table. Okay. So what is my product table is SNWD underscore PD. So this is my product data table and this is my item table. So on both these tables, we will put a join over there and we will paste the details. Okay. So let me go to the content again. This is my on this table. I will put a association. We can put association on any other table also. I will show you one more example there. I select from this. This is my which table? Sales order item table. Okay. What I will do there is I will give the name here as 10. Let's give the name here as item. Give here as what is association? Same out. Okay. In association, we have to give here what we have to give here, guys? We have to give here the cardinality. Okay. And in the left hand side, it will be minimum, and right hand side, it will be maximum. Okay. So this is what is cardinality. It will tell how the data will be fetched from the two tables. So from the given condition, on this table. Okay. But there are four types of cardinality over there. Like we can give 0 raised to 1, and we can give 0 to star. We can give 1 to 1 relationship. Also, we can give 1 to star relationship. Okay, so there are basically four combination of this cardinality over there. Okay, so basically we are specifying here in this cardinality term, we are specifying how the records of this invoice item table are interrelated to the product table. Okay, of course, in this case, every item will have one product table. Okay, in this, every item will have how many product table or product ID? Only one product ID. And for that product ID, there is exactly one product record in the product table. Okay, so it will be only 1 to 1 in this case. Okay, so sometimes you are creating a relationship where you have sales order and sales order items. In that case, what do you think? What will the relationship, guys? What will the relationship between this cost, between this header and item table? And what about if it is a relationship between sales order and sales invoice? Okay, so for header, how much entries will be there? One. And for invoice there can be multiple, so it will be 1 raised to star relationship over there. Okay, is this clear, guys? So let me go there. So what is that? And one more question which is important, guys. Sometimes Spencer may ask you, what is the default cardinality there? Default cardinality is 0 raised to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 is the default cardinality. Okay, you can put it, it will also work. Okay, for header and item kill. Okay, so basically by putting cardinality won't change your big result at that time. Okay, at this time it won't change your result. Okay, what it will do is it will indicate the database how these two tables are interrelated to each other. Okay, if you have already told database there is exactly one record on the right hand side table, it will help database. Okay, database will stop looking further more records and save a lot of time. Is this clear, guys? So what is this cardinality? So this cardinality use cases basically from the database perspective. So giving a cardinality is giving a good cardinality combination will save a lot of time for the database. It will pre-inform the database how these tables are interrelated. Okay, so how these tables are interrelated to each other. In that way, database can optimize the generated statement in better way. Okay, so that's why you can do sometimes. Also you will see in case where people will write just one line only. They write, you have all might if you might have seen some of the serious field with association. Some of people might have written just only one. Okay, so this indicates 0 to 1 cardinality. Okay, so basically 0 is not written here, so it's just written as 1. Okay, we can write here 0 raised to 1 as 1 only. Okay, sometimes you will see like this only, and people will write. So that's the syntax as item association with its cardinality. Okay, is this clear, guys? So let's give the association on with which table we are going to give the association. Let's say we are going to give the association with the product table as the product items. Okay. So in addition to this also, actually more bold statement is that their association name always starts with underscore. Okay. Now, of course, if I will not put the underscore over there, if I will not put underscore over here, it won't give me any error. Okay. It will work. Okay. It's basically used for sales order fulfillment. So if I use underscore, okay, sales order analytical query 1. Is this clear, guys? So what is this underscore is? If I will give underscore over there, it's not like our data will change or anything will change. It's nothing like that. It's what is this? It's telling the system, yeah, this is association. Okay, so this is must to use this underscore uh, before this associated tables also. This is what SAP is also doing. If someone will come up and ask you why you are using underscore before this association, it's not important to write underscore. It's like sometime your interviewer may ask you why every time you guys used to put underscore before the association. You can say, sir, SAP is also doing the same way, in the same way, so we are also following the same. Is this clear? So now what we have to give here is as product items on, I will give the same. I will give the condition over here. Okay. Item dot from item I will take the product UID which will be equal to the underscore product items dot underscore again node key. This is the relationship between both these. Let me remove this. If I will give here as key node underscore key as item key. Okay, let's give as parent key. 1 second, sorry. Give it as parent key as order header key. And what we can give here, we can give it as gross amount as gross amount only empty. We can give here we can type the details from the currency code as EU currency code. Okay, this is what my currency code, and I can print the product UID, which is important here as product UID underscore. Then let's write the details from the second table, which is my product items dot full category as category. Okay, and product items dot full control space product ID as product underscore ID. Okay, what is this? Already created. Once again, let's give another name. Save this. Check this, and then okay. Activate this. Okay. So here it will fetch the data from both of these. What is this? From both of these tables. Okay. So it will, what is this? It will the join. It will be also the join. Join will bound here to happen. Why the join will bound to happen? 1 second. Okay, I will fix this. Give me a moment. So let me complete this. Why the join will bound to happen? Because you had put the join from the association, and in order to determine these fields, database has to perform join. Perform the join, database has to perform the join. There is no way database can avoid this join because you had put the fields from the target tables. What I am saying is, just come up with my words is, I am saying here, this is also a join. You can't say like this is an association. Why you cannot say this is an association? Because here you have selected the fields from the target table and you have selected the fields from the main table. From here, you are fetching the fields from the both the tables, which is my item table and product table. So this is also indirectly a join only, because here system is forced to go and check both the tables forcefully. Okay, so in this case, there is no way database can avoid the join because we had put the fields from the target tables also. And guys, this type of join is known as ad hoc association. Sorry, this type of association is known as ad hoc association. So what is this, guys? This is, let me fix this. 1.6. Okay. One second, guys. System is taking time. Mm, Go to SM12. Close this session. Detailed association of this session. Delete this. Yes. So here I will check the tables. Okay. So what is this? This is what known as ad hoc association. Ad hoc association. Have you got it, guys? What is this association is? Let me go and write there. What is this? We have seen the type of type of association. What is that? First is ad hoc association. So in this association, uh, the if we are using, if we are fetching the fields from both tables, that is our main table and targeted table. Okay. Then this is what our ad hoc association, and indirectly this is also a join. In this case, system is going to what is system database cannot avoid to go and check the target table also, because in this association we are fetching the details from the both the source and targeted table, and this is what are known as ad hoc association. Is this clear, guys? So this will also work like a join. Let me activate this first. Right click, run as, go to FF application. There is no data. Yeah. One second, guys. Let me go into the system. Product, of entries. Yes, it's there. The entries. Oh, guys, there is no entries in our this. One second, let me get some entries here. Give me a moment. There is no data, guys, inside this. Okay. What we will do, we will create a new association in our next session, and we will see again this ad hoc association. Okay. I hope this concept is clear. What is this ad hoc association? We will create one more view on some other tables where we can find some data. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.